How to transfer TikTok account to another phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your old phone. As you launch the TikTok application on your old phone, make sure you're logged into your account. As logged into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you tap on your profile at the bottom right corner, simply what you need to do is tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. So let's just tap on our profile over here, and here tap on the hamburger icon. As you tap on the hamburger icon, you'll be able to see the option of settings and privacy. So simply tap on settings and privacy. After you tap on settings and privacy, it will lead you to the settings page. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. So here, simply tap on account option. As you tap on account, you'll be able to see the option of account information, so tap on it. So here you can see the option of email ID over here and your phone number as well. So you just have to mention this email ID and the password to transfer your TikTok account to another phone. You have to use the same login credentials so that you can transfer your TikTok account to another phone. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.